Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the August 2023 challenge that was Disney or Back to School. Thank you so much to everyone that had entered my challenge. We had 27 entries this past month. Thank you guys so much. I so appreciate it. I love seeing all the Disney projects, all the back to school, and some people created back to school Disney themed projects. It was so much fun. I am so super excited to see all of the entries for my new challenge that is currently going on. I will link it up above, and that is Halloween. Here are the colors that were released on September 1st. We have the traditional Halloween, and then we also have the pastel Halloween. They are such great colors. I cannot wait to see everybody's spooky, cute creations. Let's see. August 2023, we had 27 entries. Here is the bag of dewdrops. That is the prize. I have my random.org number picker, and we have 27. So I want to make sure that I'm in frame and put in the number 27, generate, and that is number 25. And number 25 is Alice, My Frugal Wonderland. Congratulations, Alice. You won August 2023 Dewdrop Challenge. Congratulations. Please get a hold of me on Instagram and send me your address so I can get these shipped off to you. Thank you guys so much for participating. We will have a winner for next month's challenge. Hear that noise? I'm babysitting a dog and he's crazy. This is the prize for September 2023, this beautiful set of dewdrops here. The new releases are currently available in my Etsy shop. This one is under Pastel-Halloween, and this one is under Traditional Halloween. They are $5 each for a total of 100 dewdrops, or I do have a package where you can purchase both sets for $10, and you will get the Pastel-Halloween as well as the Traditional. Congratulations to Alice. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye, guys.